Hi, today I'm going to look at cropping an image, something basic, but not everybody knows how to do it, so I thought it'd be worthwhile covering it in this quick video. Let's go over to my Canva screen and I'll show you how. This is Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. I've chosen a couple of images that I'm going to crop just to show you how to do it. I've put these into an Instagram post just to make it really easy, and I'll just pull these up. But on this one, I'm going to take out the bowl. It's so simple. So as always, if I want to edit an image, I need to click on the image. And here you see I've got several options: edit image, crop, flip, animate, and information one. The information one just gives me the description. It's free, keywords. I could star it, which would mean it'd be easy to find if I wanted to use it again, or I can add it to a folder. I just want to go on to crop. It's changed the style of the handles around the photograph. These things on the side are called handles. What I'm going to do is just pull it up from the side. It's got these grid lines so I can keep my lines even. And just take out the bowl. And then I can click done. And that's it. Now I just have the fruit and the honey. I'm not suggesting that you do this, but if you're split with a partner but want to keep just the photo of you, you could try cropping the image this way. Clicked on this, I'll make it a little larger. And I'm going to click on crop. I'm going to crop out the little boy and keep the little girl. So I can just move this across. And then click done. And that's how easy it is to crop an image. Have fun chopping your images up. If you found this video useful and you'd like some other quick tips, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The button's below the video on YouTube, and if you click the little bell, which is a notification, you'll be sure to see my videos each time I produce them. Hope that helps, and see you next week.